Tired of projects feeling like they're spiraling out of control? Today, we'll unlock the secrets to mastering project time tracking with Clockify, turning chaos into clarity in just a few simple steps. First, let's set up your projects. Click on the Projects tab in the left-hand menu, then hit the plus sign to create a new project. Give it a clear name and assign it to a client if applicable. You can also set an estimated budget to keep your finances in check. Don't forget to customize project colors for easy visual identification. Now, for the heart of time tracking, logging your hours. Clockify offers flexible methods. You can start a timer directly from the project view or manually enter time spent on specific tasks. Remember to select the correct project and add a detailed description of what you worked on for better insights later. Ready to analyze your project's time data? Navigate to the Reports section here. You can generate detailed reports filtered by project, team member, date range, and more. This helps you understand where time is being spent, identify bottlenecks, and improve resource allocation. Clockify allows you to gain insights into project progress with project budget burndown charts, which will help you to understand the time your team is spending, identify bottlenecks, and improve resource allocation. Clockify also simplifies team management. You can invite team members, assign roles, and track their individual contributions to projects. This ensures everyone is accountable and contributes effectively. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can transform how you manage project time in Clockify. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven decisions, leading to more successful project outcomes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.